Good morning students. Today in this video we are going to discuss about computer languages. First of all we should know that what is computer. Computer is an electronic device which takes some input or you can say raw data given by the user, and computer will process that data, and after that it will give us a meaningful information or you can say a meaningful output. Okay, so let's talk about language. Language is a medium of communication. If you want to convey your thoughts to your friends, to your teacher, so you need a language. It is very difficult to share your views or ideas with a person who does not know the language that you know. That's why a language is required to establish communication among the people. Similarly, computer is a machine that understands a specific form of language. Working with a computer means to establish communication between the user and the machine. In order to execute a task, you give instructions to the computer, and then the instructions must be given in the same language which language the computer understands. For this, we should have an idea about computer language. So, what is computer language? To communicate with the computer, we need some languages, and these languages are known as computer language. With the help of this language, we can easily interact with the computer system. Now see types of computer language. There are two types of computer language: low level language and high level language. The low level language are further divided into two parts: machine level language and assembly level language. Machine level language. Machine level language is the first generation language in which the instructions are written or given in the form of numbers so that the computer can easily understand the given instructions. It is a collection of binary digits or you can say bits, which is zeros and ones. You can see the example. Binary code, there are only 1 and 0. Now see advantages. It is directly understood by the computer because computer is an electronic device, and in machine language the codes are given in the binary form and computer understand binary language. No need of translator and interpreter required to translate the code of machine level language. In this language, code takes very little time to execute and runs very fast. Limitations: it is machine dependent because a program written in one machine cannot be easily transferred to another machine. This language is difficult to program and modify because all the instructions are given in the form of zeros and ones, which is difficult for a human to understand. Now see assembly level language. It is a second generation language. In this language, at the place of binary digits, alphanumeric codes or symbols are used, and these symbols are called mnemonic codes. You can see the example here. If you want to enter any value, you will write load A or load B or load C. And if you want to add, subtract any numbers, you will write add AB. Means in a short form we are giving the instructions. Now see the advantages. It is easy to understand and use as compared to the machine language, because in the machine language the instructions are given in the numbers form, but in assembly level language we are giving the instruction in a short form. So it is quite easy as compared to the other language. It takes less time and less memory. The coding is simpler in this language, and it is easy to modify the errors which are present in this language. Now see limitations. Like machine language, assembly language is also machine dependent because it cannot be easily transferred to another machine. In this language, translator is required. As computer understand only machine code or machine language, the assembly level language has to be converted into machine code so that the computer can easily identify the given instruction to its own language. Next is high level language. It's a third generation language. It is basically symbolic language that use English words or mathematical symbols rather than mnemonic codes or binary codes. All the instructions in this language are written almost like English language, which is close to the language that we use to communicate with the other human. It is designed to make programming easy. Here are the examples. Fortran, Pascal, C, C++, Java, all are the example of high level language. Now see the advantages. High level language, unlike machine level language or assembly level language, is machine independent language, which means high level language programs can be run on any machine. That's why it is easy to read, understand and develop the program. Those programs who are written in this language are smaller or less errors. It is easily modified and maintained. So the limitations are different language have different syntax. They takes more memory and they require to translate because high level language cannot be understood by the computer, so it has to be converted into machine code. So we need translator like compiler or interpreter to transfer the code, high level code, into machine code. I hope you will like this video. If you have any doubt, any query, so you can write in the comment section. Thank you.